Create animated YouTube subtitles free in 1 minute. Let's get in. You'll need to get this app CapCut. Launch it, click on the option New Project and select the video. Once you have selected the video, head over to this option Text. Now click on the option Auto Captions. Now from here you can easily generate it. Click on the option Generate From and select Video. Then click on the option Spoken Language. From the list of language you can select it, or also you can set it to auto detect. Once you select it, now you are able to select the templates. Here you're gonna find tons of template options. Select any of it. Now click on Generate. You will need to wait for a few seconds. Once it has been generated, you can play the video and check. How to resize YouTube Shorts in CapCut fast. So you can see that the auto captions has been applied. So this way you can easily create animated YouTube subtitles free in 1 minute. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.